Better in here, isn't it? Nice and cool. You're nice and cool, huh, Lucy Lou? Yeah. Probably time for another nap, huh? You having an okay time, buddy? Lizzie, you're being a very good house parent girl. Yes, you are. She says, when do I get to come out and be with my pack? Aren't you feeling empowered in there? Teddy, come on in, honey. Teddy. Hey, it's too hot out there. Yeah, you need to be in here. Whew. Yeah. Okay? Okay, everybody? Like, we were out for 5 minutes. No, it must have been probably 15. They're zonked. Huh? Are you zonked, man? Hi, Boo. What are you doing? Goopy eyes. Goopy eyes. You a good boy?